Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Facebook Marketplace. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for your Facebook. Okay, and you need to update your Facebook application from here. Once you update, you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings and go into the app management, and then you need to go into the app list and you need to search your Facebook. Okay, and you need to clear cache first, and after that you need to clear storage. Okay, and then you need to log in into your account on Facebook. Okay, and on the top you will find Facebook Marketplace. Here you can see that, but if you are unable to find, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. Okay, and you can see that there is an also option of marketplace. So here you can see, so this is a process by which you can get marketplace on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.